Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox third-party software interfering error that appears after installing NTE. First, check for updates for the NTE launcher. The NTE developers released launcher updates to fix these false anti-cheat conflicts, so make sure every available update is installed. When the update is complete, restart your computer and try launching Roblox again to see if the issue is gone. If the error still appears, you will need to completely remove both NTE and Roblox. Uninstall NTE first, then uninstall Roblox from your installed apps. This helps remove any files that may be causing the conflict. Next, clear your temporary Windows files. Press the Windows key and R together, type %temp% and press Enter. When the folder opens, select everything and delete them. If Windows says some files are currently in use, skip them all. Now press the Windows key and R again, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Find the Roblox folder and delete it completely. This removes any leftover Roblox data that could still be causing the problem. Finally, download and reinstall both NTE and Roblox from their official websites. Once both applications are installed, restart your PC one more time and launch Roblox again. Thanks for watching.